Well, guys, let's get up and close personal with the suction cups. There's the cup, right? Now they're on a sleeve here, right? They just go up and down. Let me show you again. Oh, fuck. It's a chilly night, folks. Considering all in all. That's the pad on. There's 3 of them, right? One there. There's the other one up there. And like I said, they'll shift us ahead a little bit until we get to a certain number on this up here, on their indicator up here. All right? And all they do is winch you forward, basically. All right? So there's that one. The other ones are up there, guys.